Welcome back to Africa Uni Academy. I'm your online English teacher, Sandra.
And today we are going to learn basic English versus business English.
These are 7 basic English words we are familiar with on a daily basis. So instead of saying quit, you can simply say resign. It sounds more like a business word. And instead of saying train, you can say upskill. It means to get knowledge. So instead of saying answer, you can say respond, meaning to say something in reply. And instead of saying change, you can as well say modify, make partial or minor changes to something. Instead of agree on, just say align, meaning to place or arrange things in a straight line. And we also, instead of saying contact, simply say reach out.
Finally, instead of saying continue, you can simply say moving forward. That's all I have for you today. Don't forget to follow me, like, and share.